Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on Touch ID on the eBay application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the My eBay button down below, which is the second option. After that, go to the account section, click on sign in and security, which is the first section, and tap on use Touch ID to sign in. Tap on that button in the right side of the screen. As you can see, it has been done. So next time you sign into eBay, you can use your Touch ID instead of typing in your details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.